At Dick Blake Park in Florida, a serious incident involving a juvenile victim took place.
What's going on today?
Nothing, just took a walk down the car.
Okay. So we're just meeting with the victim. She's over by the park. What were you doing out here today? So put that bottle down.
Just hanging out down there.
Anything all you need to know about? Anything that's going to cut me or anything?
There's a knife right here.
Okay, don't pull it out. That's how you get shot.
No,
right?
here,
Face that way.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to check it, all right? I'm just going to check it for any weapons. Is it a knife?
It's right there.
Any firearms or anything?
No.
I'm not going to search your pockets. I'm just going to pat you down, all right?
That's enough. That you just probably
Good, man. 54, I'm 1012. I just need someone to get with the victim.
Police responded swiftly to the call, and the events were thoroughly documented.
All right.
Man, they hanging out there, sunbathing.
You were sunbathing?
Yeah.
Where at?
Down, further down where nobody can see.
Where's that at?
Down that trail down there.
Okay.
So,
Do you sunbathe with your clothes on, or you do it with no clothes on?
I mean, here, hanging out here.
Well, tell me about it.
What's up?
What usually happens? Do you sunbathe at the park naked? Like that's
Sometimes.
Okay.
Get my clothes back on quickly, if possible. If anything happens.
Well, you know the park's not really the place for that, my man.
Well, I know. It's a
Do you have an ID on you?
wide open spot.
Oh, I mean, yeah, if it's This is your van?
No.
This is not your van? This is some van?
Some van.
Where do you live at?
I live over in, okay.
What are you doing over here? You drive here?
No, buddy dropped me off.
Oh, okay. Bro, there's 2729 by number. You might hang out with this gentleman real quick?
Sure.
Don't go anywhere, sir.
Hello. So what was happening?
So like,
Yeah, let's go in the shade because if you have the video, I need to see it, and it's hard to see in the sun.
so like I'm skating and I was just like going back there, like the back trails, cause like there's not a lot of places to skate here. And I saw on like Google Maps there's like a bridge over there, so I was trying to get to the bridge, but I didn't know where he was. So like I was walking that way, I saw him, and I just have social anxiety, so I turned around. And then like he came up to me, he was just like making small talk, like, you know, like, how you doing? Do you come here often? Like, what are you doing? I was trying to look for the bridge, so he helped me towards the bridge. And I'm a people pleaser, so like I didn't want to be like, hey, I don't need your help. So he helped me towards the bridge. I crossed it, it was fine. He like, you know, did his own thing. And like on the way back, I don't know, he was just like, I think he had a beer in his hand or something. And then he like turned around and his dick was out. And he was just like, you know, do you want to like have some fun or something?
You have video of that?
Yeah, I have it on video.
Where are your parents? You might call your parents? We'll look at video, then we'll call you.
Yeah, hold on. I was thinking about it.
So she was over there skating and went over by the bridge.
I don't know which one it was. Just in case there's strangers here. I can't.
Let me see if I can.
Now you know why I said we'll go in the shade.
Yeah, that's good enough for me. Call her.
Is that a video?
Yeah.
So do me a favor. I'm gonna send you a link to upload that video to me. If you can do that. Are you already out of school for the day, or?
I don't go to school right now
Okay.
for other reasons, but
Right.
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will provide it for you. Do you understand these rights?
Where's I being charged with?
Okay, can you? I can't talk that until I read these. Okay. So during any time during question, you can stop and request an attorney, right? With these rights in mind, you wish to speak to me now.
What's going on?
Well, something happened with you and a juvenile, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Oh,
so
man, I did, man. Dude,
So,
some
sir?
girl with a skateboard passed me by. Dude, that's
okay.
it.
Well, hold on. Do you want to talk to me now?
I'm telling you, yes.
Okay.
She passed me by.
Okay.
I mean, I thought I heard somebody. I got my dude. What I was telling you.
Were you naked?
I
Were you naked?
listen. I was dressed when she walked by. I was getting everything in order.
At any point in time, did you face towards her with your junk out or with your penis
I
out?
turned because I was suddenly, listen,
Did you make any comments to her? Did you talk to her at all?
I said, hey, let's not do this. Whoa, you're filming. Whoa, what? Stop. I asked her to stop. That's it.
With your out? Because I'm gonna tell you right now, I know this was out.
The suspect initially attempted to justify his actions by claiming he was just sunbathing. However, as the police interrogation progressed, inconsistencies in his story emerged, and he gradually admitted to parts of the misconduct.
Alright, go stand up. That's all I need. Face that way for me. You got cuffs on you, Deacons?
Tough, yeah. No problem.
Oh, I appreciate it. Alright, you understand what you're getting charged with? Indecent exposure? Your penis was out and you showed it to a juvenile girl. You also might be charged with offenses. So you're probably going to be registered as a sex offender.
No.
Yeah, man.
No.
Yeah,
I
dude.
didn't, man, I swear to God.
I don't know why you think this is a place to come and be naked, but it's not. I'm gonna call Gomez real quick to see if she wants to do anything else with CID before
You got something here. I just asked you.
He's got a knife. I think he said something about a knife.
Yeah. I thought you took it earlier.
No, I didn't take it. Remember?
I just
had
asked you
down.
what else do you have.
I didn't feel it.
Garden Club called in and advised that you were supposed to meet her there at 2 p.m.
10-4. Just let her know I'm on the way now.
10-4.
Anything else that you have that we need to be aware of?
No.
Anything that's gonna poke us? Any narcotics?
No.
Anything like that?
No.
Belt?
No belt.
Anything in your shoes?
No, nothing with my shoes.
Also, you've been trespassing in the park. You can never come back here ever again. You come back and get arrested. If you live in Coke, I don't know what you did in Rockledge, man. What's this? What's this? Right here. What is this?
I don't know. Let me see.
I can't. I
Those
don't.
are old.
Old keys. Why are they inside the pants? What's this?
I forgot they were sold in there. That's like,
You said them so.
I just put it. No,
Stop! Hey, stop reaching. You sit still.
I just put them in there when I walked up.
Okay. You get in contact with her parents?
Not yet.
Can we do that? Expedite that because you're taking this. Oh,
So yeah,
okay.
I mean, he gave it to you. You know what I mean?
The case was then handed over to the judicial system for prosecution, reflecting law enforcement's vigilance and firm commitment to protecting minors. Ultimately, the court sentenced the suspect to 1 year of probation, fines, and 3 days of short-term detention for indecent exposure. While some charges were reduced, the ruling delivered a clear message. Any act that endangers the safety of minors will not be tolerated and will face strict legal consequences. This case serves as a reminder that behavior in public spaces is not simply a matter of personal freedom. It carries the weight of social responsibility, public order, and the duty to protect vulnerable groups. Only by respecting the law can we ensure a safe and harmonious society.